Hello, everyone. Here at Device42, we understand that throughout the operations of your day, there are a plethora of issues that are raised through your support desk, tickets, phone calls, and oftentimes it makes it really hard to respond to an issue in a timely fashion. And when you are doing that, be relatively highly informed about your environment. So we understand that in Device42, and we make a few integrations available to try to help you with those needs. So our CEO Raj raised an issue with our application that is not currently responding. Not a whole lot of detail here, and this is going to be pretty common among many requests that you receive as well, I imagine. But we make that possible with our integrations and the ability for discovery running with Device42 constantly keep you up to date about your infrastructure and your application data. That we actually have a SQL system that's been linked to this incident, and we can see details about it from where it exists, its host name, the physical location. And I can drill into this from here and go to Device42, get more detail about it. Now, looking at it on Device42, I can quickly see the hypervisor it sits on, the OS, what service processes are running. It says it's currently not responding, so I can make some assumptions as to that looks like it's running MySQL, acting as a database. Let me actually take a look at the relationships of this system. Now I just pulled up the topology of that MySQL system, and we can see MySQL and Java, different listening connections, Tomcat host, Apache. It's a pretty common three-layer application that's connecting back to that. So I can pretty much assume that somewhere in these links from MySQL, Tomcat, there was a break for this application stack that we're using on this infrastructure. Now, Device42 uses the concept of affinity groups to more easily see the impact across these workloads, and it even has a time series, so I can actually go back and look at what these relationships look like back in October. There's a lot less complexity. Maybe we started to introduce too many hosts, and there was changes made that weren't authorized. That started to create breakages and performance issues with this application. And as we discover the environment, we'll start to feed that trending data to you so you can make informed decisions about your environment and integrate directly into your service desk solutions to help inform those processes as well.